I love it.
Okay.
Hello.
Er Bomberclot.
Bumblefoot.
Boom, YouTube. We here. We just go. Yo, we risen up with the fresh cut, man. Come on, man. Like, subscribe to 200. Close at 200, man. Oh, shit, 1,000. Let's get to 1,000. Get into the video, man.
And he said, I saw when it's in the screen doors, thinking of it, and no love in love. And say, if the mama don't know, I saw when it's real, the first thing better than a kid.
I've been there for years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up, gang?
My dog.
Do these? Oh, I did. I love it. You can see through that? Yeah, I did. No, you can't really see through it.
Damn, you line up clean as a hole, boy. Okay. What's good with you, shawty? Yo, I got a
Nothing
question.
much.
I just cut my beard. Like, do it fit me? Like, do like the baby
Of course it
face
was
fit me?
you. You know who told you you had a baby face? You look like a
Like,
grown
that's what
ass
they
man.
call it. Like, it's clean shaven. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Sup, fuck nigga? Sup, fuck nigga?
Good,
Yeah.
my boy. My boy.
Yeah, I'm back.
My boy.
Good, my boy. What you been on? I ain't talked to you about like a year, my nigga. What you been on? You ain't coolin'?
Bullshit.
Still got the same
Bullshit.
gray t-shirt on you been wearing. Still got the same gray t-shirt you been wearing. Still in your granny house.
Bullshit. Bullshit.
Yeah, tight shit.
Cause, and you know,
Hey, what the fuck is y'all
things.
following me for? What the fuck?
Hello.
Damn, we got a whole
Talk to her.
group. Damn.
Yeah. Yes.
That
So,
certainly is a word to describe that.
yeah. What's going on here? Like, what the hell going on here?
Don't be intimidated. Don't worry about it. Yeah.
No, I'm just trying to find out what's happening. Like
Find out
what?
what?
Like what's happening is like, is this like a sleepover or like?
Friday night. Yeah.
Oh, all right, cool. All right, so we can just get everybody names. Like, let's go from like left to right. Everybody names. Let's just like, you know what I'm saying?
Left to right names. Left to right names. Okay.
Yeah, like everybody
You
names.
start. No. First. Go. Shalissa.
Y'all don't like.
Emily. Ashley. Jamie. She won't reveal her name. She's very private. Oh, Quinn.
Right.
What's your name?
Jay.
She's shy.
Jay Ski.
Jay. Yeah. Do you work at State Farm? It's Jake. Jay. Not Jake. Oh. You ruined it. Come on, girl. Come on, man. We're sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. I thought you said Jake.
Type shit.
I thought like Jake. I'm sorry.
Nah, just Jay.
She's hard of hearing.
Yeah. She got glasses and she hard of hearing. Damn.
Got glasses and hard of hearing. Fucking taking L's, bitch.
The first guy was like, "You're so beautiful," and this guy's like, "You got glasses and you're hard of hearing."
From New York. He's from New York. What's good?
What's good, mother? What kid is that?
This is Mexico. It's my country.
Oh shit. I ain't never seen that before. I was like, oh,
Yeah,
that's
but I like your haircut. Although you're a little faded, like here and like here. You're a little faded on both sides, but it's all good. I
what
can tell
that
you're
mean?
most definitely off the geeks, bro.
What that's supposed to
You
mean?
like smoking a blunt or something. You're geeked, bro. The Benjamin, I don't know what's up. Or a Benjamin, I don't even know what you're on. Just
That's
know you're not in our universe, bro.
that's kind of crazy.
Are you or are you not? Don't even deny it. Like be
I don't
honest.
even smoke, so like, hey, that's kind of crazy. That's just hair, nigga. Like, what,
He's
nigga?
straight. All right. He's straight. He's straight. Bro, it's my necklace. No, it's time with the gazer, bro. You got that Jewish shit on, bro.
Hello.
I feel like you're Muslim. You look Muslim.
Yeah, Yes, I'm Muslim.
Wallahi,
Wallahi.
I could see it. I could see it.
Allah عليك ما شاء الله. أكيد you see, I have a beard here.
Yeah, I just cut mine, so like,
And Saudi Arabia, my location.
you,
Yeah, you are from New York, yeah?
yeah, where the bro? My mother.
Nigga, go to the fucking Wendy's, dope.
How's life there? Good?
Crazy, you know what I'm saying? New York. You know what I'm saying? And I'm Jamaican too, so you know what I'm saying? I don't know, we're Jamaican.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Are you Muslim?
Nah, frost.
I'ma show them like a fool, yo, party I had, man. And star we a rock, 17 in the belly, cow born in a war. Fuck up a million, just call it a loss. If you want to check up on me, do not call me a ass.
Oh, damn.
It's like I'm a 55 overall, no badges.
Right here. Yo, man, JJ, man. You're the right, man. I feel you, man.
Bro showing you the house. You trying to talk to me. Bro trying to talk to me over the
Listen,
house.
man, I'm from Switzerland, and right now I'm on live stream. 2,200 people looking at you right now, man.
What are you talking about, man?
You
Are
streaming?
you serious right now, bro?
The fucking speak on. Are you streaming?
Well, I thought everybody just like knows who speed is now. That's like OC. Er Bomboclat.
Bongo clut.
No man, really Jamaican no, so like I can't like you are fake. Fake yeah fake. Like
Hey, he said he wants you. He said give him a kiss. Come here.
Don't bring your ass close to this camera.
You gonna let it talk to you like that?
Don't do that, bro. Don't do that. I will shoot you.
You scared of him?
I will shoot you.
for you.
I was just in New York.
Word to word.
No, where you from in New York though?
What am I dead? I'm from the BX.
BX.
Yeah, BX.
Oh.
What you mean? Oh.
What you want me to say? Oh wow. Y'all don't scare nobody?
So why you
No, I'm just
asking?
playing. I'm just playing. I'm chilling.
Nah, what block you from, bro? Like, I'm from 43rd.
Huh?
What block you from, bro?
What
What
you say?
street? What street you from?
I'm from Cleveland, Ohio.
Oh, Cleveland. This is for you.
You know what? Here go two more for y'all.
Yo.
Damn. On this shit with your nigga is crazy.
What?
She on that shit with her nigga. That shit is crazy. Y'all OC.
That's crazy.
Like, what is y'all doing on here? Y'all looking for a third or something? Or like, you trying to get your bitch took or something? I don't know. Like, shit.
Who's gonna take my bitch? A nigga through a screen?
Shit, you never know, man. You never know.
What? You gonna take my bitch?
You never know. You never know.
No.
That should be
Okay,
crazy.
I'm gonna get my bitch took by a nigga through a screen.
You never know, man.
You
Shit.
just sound dumb, so you just saying you never know.
Hey, you know who Duke Dennis is?
Shut your bitch ass up.
Nah, I'm talking to her. You know who Duke Dennis is?
Yes, I know who Duke Dennis is. Why are you glazing Duke Dennis right now? What type
Yeah,
of gay shit
why
are
she
you on?
geeking? She geeking. I talk about Duke and she
Bro.
geeking.
What type of gay shit are you on?
Man, made that joint crazy right there. That blowout right there on the side. I ain't even gonna catch that joint crazy.
Yeah, I know OG. That shit. That on tough, OG.
That joint there, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
How old are you, like 15?
Yeah, OG. Damn, that nigga got it
Yeah,
spot on.
OG. Don't worry, bro. You gonna hit 20 soon. Niggas gonna start calling you OG.
I mean, shit. Maybe. Yo, what's
You
good?
living at your grandma's house?
I'm in New York. What do you mean?
You live with your grandma?
I'm in New York. This just New
Do
York
you live
shit.
with your grandma?
This New York shit.
You look like you living in a 50-year-old lady house.
Dugan.
Dude.
Play with her Dugan and the Rugen.
Switch G, boy.
That's not how you say it. It's switch team turn. Fuck you talking about, twin? Other straight rolls on this, twin.
They got Berlin
Oh,
in
he's
the
confused.
United States. What the fuck? Am I dumb as shit?
Huh?
New
We are
Berlin.
in the States.
They got Berlin in the States.
New Berlin is in Wisconsin. You're thinking of Berlin. That's in Europe.
New York education. Why this white nigga got a bonnet on? What the
It's called real nigga shit.
Yo, nah, this shit kill me. What the hell?
You live in the hood, don't you?
Floyd said, fuck T.I., fuck Nelly, fuck 50. I'm like, what did he say fuck me for?
Nah, that shit be killing me. Yo,
What happened?
bro, there was this white dude. He had a bonnet on. I was like, bro, you're white,
Oh my god.
bro. That
Why
shit
you
was
need that for? You
crazy.
don't even need that. It's a white man on here earlier. He asked me if I think he would look good with dreads. I said, hell no.
Bro, these white people be tweaking.
Crazy.
Oh
Yeah, I'm
my
good, man. I'm
god.
outside. Bad man. What? Bad man, you want to sleep? Come on for the life.
Yeah, uncle, I don't like this uncle. Uncle, I don't like this uncle. Come, uncle, I don't like this uncle.
How then? How then?
Yo,
Yeah.
yo, oh man.
Because the dog just can't sleep like a way and can't find nothing. Like, dog, how you fuck? I'll smoke it up away. No, dog, just line up, man. You see, dog, line up,
TikTok, go on TikTok live them, man. Like, TikTok live them for link up, man.
No, can't smoke on TikTok, my friend. Can't smoke for TikTok, dog. Can't smoke on TikTok.
Never know enough.
No, no, go on for TikTok.
What?
Watch enough. TikTok have a lockdown. And that's how you come over here, so I try to find one different, you know, procedure. Because TikTok have a lockdown, you know.
For real? For real?
Yeah,
Oh,
man.
man.
At least I feel America still, but it might impact we. Yo, come on for this song, guy, bed. Okay, I can't want to sleep. Lie bed.
Take me to Red Lobster.
Who voice is that? God damn.
Big Dominican, yeah. Raw.
He's like, nah. diabetes.
You can't handle all this, boy. You big Dominican.
You gotta pray.
I get your lineup so straight. Big Dominican.
Try not to laugh.
You can ask. This big Dominican.
You don't care.
You got money?
Nah.
Come on, give me the money, baby.
I'm actually,
I'll handcuff you to
bro,
the bed.
like in debt. I'm actually like 30,000 in debt. So, like,
It's okay. I handcuff you to the bed.
nah, I don't do well with handcuffs. I got like arrest PTSD, like
It's
crazy.
okay. I get rid of your PTSD. I'll be your therapist.
Nah, I don't really do well with therapy. I got some crazy like mental issues.
I'm crazy too. I strap you down.
I don't do well with other crazy people. It, like it messes up like the equilibrium of like personalities.
Will you marry me? Let's get married.
Why are you hiding?
I don't believe in marriage. Like I don't think that marriage is like a good thing.
You really found every excuse in the book. That's all
This is
fun.
getting uncomfortable. I can't sit right now.
Hello, guess where we're from?
New York.
Ethnically. No, ethnically, where are we from?
Not gonna lie, I'm very bad at this, but I'ma just see. Y'all just look like Puerto Rican. Like I just think Puerto Rican.
Puerto Rican for all of us. We're sisters. No.
Are you actually not?
No.
No, like tell me the truth.
Not at all.
Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, I thought you were tripping.
I don't know. I'm very bad at that shit. I'm cheap as stack.
You got it.
Oh, okay, my turn then.
I mean, she look Asian over there.
But I'm not. Why does everyone think I'm Asian?
Yeah, I said she look Asian.
Okay.
Yeah, she's from. She's from. Oh
Like,
wait,
she
where are
look
you
Filipino.
I'm not Filipino.
Damn, I'm asking this shit. Yeah,
Yo,
Sydney Sweet.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
My white hole got big tits. She remind me of Sydney Sweet. Sydney Sweet.
Fucking lame out, G.
Sipping quickly, forgot it was mud. I don't cross, so I couple with drugs. Think I don't know when my time gonna come. I'm at the bottom, back where I begun.
I saw him make a meal.